David Outdoors 74. If you like Firebirds, hit the subscribe button, hit the share, hit the like, because this is an 87 Formula. Alright, so got the Firebird running this year. We're going to take her for a little ride. It's got the awesome 140 mile an hour speedometer, and the poor girl's got 163,000 miles on her. It's been rebuilt though. She got rebuilt tranny, rebuilt motor, rebuilt front suspension, rear suspension. That performance sticker that's on these cars, all it is a fat sway bar. Maybe upgrade brake system, but not by much. I took it all apart and I didn't see anything special for performance. Maybe wider tires. I mean, these are 245 50s, yeah, 16s. Check the lights out. Oh, look at that. So we're gonna take her out. Family and me are gonna take her out for a ride. Gonna do the upholstery during the winter time. There, she just kicked down. This has got it was a 350. We bored it to a 383 stroker. Put a stroker kit in it. It's got 36 pound Excel injectors. Had it tuned from Jim up there in Minnesota, TPIS. He tuned it for me. And then I had another guy in New York State here just kind of do a fine tuning to her. The timing was off, way off. And it just ran like garbage, but now she runs great. Mass airflow sensor, that was bad. So when I thought it was really bad, you know, running really rich and really, it was the mass airflow sensor. So if you're dealing with anything like that where you get a lot of black smoke, check your mass airflow sensor. I've got that snap-on brick, and I bought that off of eBay. I plugged it into the car and it told me what was going on, and you know, it's a lot better now. So let's get out and do a little quick wait for the family. Let's get out and see what we got here. She's quieted down now. Boy, she sounds nice. Paint job, I'm gonna get that redone. That's just moisture built up. It's been a while for her. You can hear the lifters ticking away. We had the rock. The last video I did, we did the rockers for it. We lashed them. It's running good. Put the cold case radiator in it with the twin fans. I've had this car since 1996. Love them. 3rd gen owner. Love it. Ain't nothing better. Let's go take her for a ride.